What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock, and I have to be honest with you guys. SoFi has really not dropped any news, the past like 9 months, okay? All we've got is an earnings report and a merger, okay? Somebody explain to me some news or something exciting that SoFi has dropped. Acquisitions, anything. There has been absolutely no news. I mean, this channel, I've had to gather so much, info and research on my own. You wouldn't even believe how many hours I've had to put in, to get this channel to where it's at. I personally believe that the rocket ship for SoFi stock is going to happen after the bank charter approval, okay? They cannot unleash their game plan until that is 100% confirmed. I really believe these last 3-4 months has been extreme volatility because it is the accumulation phase for the big money whales and the big money hedge funds, okay? Tons and tons of accumulation has been going on at these super low levels like the $14 and $15 range. I'm going to be going into some updates on why I feel the SoFi stock is an amazing buy right now and why I'm more bullish than ever. And for anybody new to the channel, we are the #1 YouTube covering the SoFi stock on the Stock Goat channel. Guys, just get us pushed up to 5,000, okay? That's going to be a big accomplishment on the channel. Be sure to like and comment on this video. The subs have been growing really fast. And guys, if you want to support the channel, the link is going to be in the bio. SoFi is doing an amazing promo right now. Much better than Webull's in my opinion because you know what you're getting. Get $25 in stock for each friend who joins SoFi Invest. For each friend that signs up and funds an active investing account with $100 or more, you'll get $25 in stock, and I'll get $25 in stock. So we both win on this one, guys. It's free money. Once you click the link in the comments, it's going to bring you to this page. Kyle wants you to get free stock. Get up to $25 worth of stock when you deposit $100. Let's get into the video. So guys, an insane day in the market. I mean, look at these indexes. It was absolutely crazy. S&P 500 down almost 1%. Dow 0.5%. NASDAQ almost 1%, and the Russell finished barely green. SoFi got absolutely hammered, guys, down 2.65%, up almost 0.46 in the after hours. Volume was crazy today, almost 54 million. But when we look at the chart on the one-day chart, we didn't break the $15, lows. We're still really strong support in the $15 range. And I believe these are the prices that everyone should be accumulating shares right now in the 14s, 15s, and 16s. Guys, understand that this company, was a SPAC stock, and, the announcement was made back in January, guys. So this company has been getting smashed for almost 8 to 9 months, guys. This is the accumulation phase for these SPAC stocks, guys, that are high quality. And I believe SoFi is the highest of quality, guys. We know that they have an amazing product, one-stop shop, adding products continuously. But, guys, this management team is beyond elite, okay? I believe a lot of, new retail investors that read an article saying, now's the time to buy SoFi stock. They're not doing the in-depth analysis, on the management, who is running the show, okay? You can have a great product, but if there's not an amazing management team, running the company is going to fail. And I believe right now they have the strongest management, inside of the market, and that is why I'm extremely bullish. We're talking Amazon, Tesla, USAA, Citi. This is what you're looking for in these early growth stock stages. Guys, this is on SoFi's page. Take a look at this, guys. This is the SoFi story, okay? Very, very unique, okay? It shows all of their different accomplishments throughout the years. But if we just jump to 2020, guys, I want to jump to 2020 because this is heading on 2 years ago, okay? So we'll click 2020. SoFi celebrates 1 million members, okay? Very, very solid accomplishment 2 years ago. But if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, guys, we can see members have accelerated past 2 million. But if we go onto their earnings report data, guys, for Q2 2021, members have accelerated past 2.5 million, guys. As you guys can see, people are really loving the platform. There is a possibility, in Q3, we could potentially pass 3 million members. This is going to be huge, guys. I mean, with this growth rate that these members are growing and people are really sticking to the platform, I mean, we could see 6 to 7 million members, in 2022 with that bank charter approval, guys, this is going to be an amazing growth story, and you are in at the very bottom. You always see my videos I put out, 10x, 20x, and I get a lot of bearish comments saying, this is not possible, you're overblowing it. But guys, understand, I'm putting a, 10, 20x, within the next 4 to 5 years. I'm not saying this year. My price target is $45 for 2022. That would imply a triple. As you can see here, Shopify pulled a 36x bagger, 3,600% gain. All you had to do was hold through the volatility in the short term. Square, a 22 bagger, guys, 2,194% gain. Nvidia, almost a 14 bagger, guys. Look at the volatility in 2018 you had to deal with. That's what I'm talking about. You have to diamond hand in the short term this first year. We're going to be hitting a year soon, guys, and we have the bank charter in place. Moderna, guys, an 1,800% gain, an 18 bagger. This actually happened in less than 3 years, starting in 2018. So, guys, these price targets I'm pulling out, if this becomes an amazing growth story, you could have lost 10 times inside of the stock market. If you're hitting a 10, 20x bagger, guys, this is going to clean up all your losses. You just need one big home run to get you to that financial freedom that everyone's looking for. So guys, I have a Sofi account. I bought a couple of shares in it. I've been through the platform. I really like it. I'm most likely going to be transferring over all of my, Sofi and other stocks to Sofi once the bank charter goes through, FDIC approved, all of that. It's just a matter of time before options are on the platform. I like the Robinhood options right now. They're definitely going to dominate if the options come to the platform. So I'm most likely, going to transfer over, all of my holdings very soon. So don't think that I'm not bullish on the platform, guys. I'm very bullish. As you can see here, I linked up my credit score. We got a 794 on the credit. That is free as well. You can monitor your credit day to day. Credit card, I just ordered this actually. Get 2% unlimited cash back towards saving, investing, and paying down debt. Plus, there's no annual fees. So, guys, you can, take your 2% cash back and invest it into Sofi stock, over time. And we can see here, their products that they have is just limitless, guys. Student loan refinance, personal loans, home loans, undergrad student loans, invest, graduate student loans, resident refinance, MBAs, the list goes on, life insurance. Anthony Noto really built up an amazing platform, guys, with, thousands and thousands of products. This is a one-stop shop, and their main goal right now is trust, guys. They want to make sure their customers trust them so that they stick with them forever. And we all know that Sofi has the best marketing team in the game right now, targeting that millennial crowd. So guys, check this out. If you go over to invest, this is, Sofi's, stock trading platform. And you can see right here, it has all the big, indexes being monitored, including oil, gold, US bonds, Bitcoin. Right here is your holdings. I got 4 shares of Sofi in this account, but all of my other stock, holdings are in, Robinhood and TD Ameritrade right now, but I'm just waiting, for Sofi to finish off this bank charter. Now it gets really interesting when you go over to their discovery page on the bottom. This is some very good insights. It has the most popular stocks on the platform right now. You can see Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Sofi, AMC, Vanguard, Disney, the trending stocks. But right here is where I really believe, Sofi separates themselves. They are creating their own ETFs, and this is the gold mine for anyone looking for, to invest, massive amounts of money inside of the stock market and does not want that, extremely high volatility like you're getting on the Sofi stock right now. This is the Sofi Select 500 ETF that is monitored and switched up. I don't know if it's daily or weekly, but the holdings do change very, very quickly sometimes. And if we click the Sofi Select 500 ETF, it's trading right around $16, but you can see they just created, this ETF. And if we go to the 1-year chart, I mean, these things are beast mode. Look at that. 35% gain, just absolutely ripping through the market. That is how these ETFs are, expected to be. If you want, consistent money, potentially, 30 to 40% a year, Sofi stock, high volatility, but, you could absolutely rip, 200-300% in a year, if things get really bullish. You can see here the top 10 holdings on the ETF, man. They really built this one up strong. I really like it. If I had $1 million, if I had $2 million, this is the type of stuff you want to put $1 million in if you want consistent 30 to 40% gains a year. Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, Moderna, Tesla, Apple, Salesforce. Great ETF, guys. You can see this is a high growth ETF, much safer than, just investing in individual stocks. So I really like the platform. Once again, if you want to support the channel, don't forget to click the link in the comment section, guys. you're going to get $25 in free stock if you deposit $100 into a SoFi active investing account. This is an amazing promo that SoFi is running right now. And also, guys, remember we just got that $28, price target on the stock, from, a very good bullish analyst, reiterating Galileo, bank charter, etc. But don't forget, there was another analyst positive on SoFi stock as bank charter comes within reach. We know that Rosenblatt analyst Sean Horgan rates SoFi shares a buy along with a $30 price target. So guys, we have even higher price targets than $28. That is close to 100% upside right now at the $15 range on the stock. Horgan recently sat down with CEO Noto for the fireside chat, during which Noto laid out his thoughts on where SoFi is today and where this fintech stock is headed in the future. Once again, guys, if you're not bullish that SoFi is not going to get this, bank charter, guys, you don't understand what kind of management team SoFi has right now. These guys are straight up winners. Anthony Noto said there is no challenger bank better positioned to secure a bank charter right now, guys. This is what you want to hear by the leader. And I'm telling you right now, and I believe news and acquisitions are going to be flying off the shelf after this bank charter goes through. And this channel is really going to explode because I'm going to have some more information to finally talk about rather than doing these deep dives on the investor presentation 24/7. And guys, according to their earnings report, I mean, their business model is getting well diversified. Remember, like 3, 4, 5 years ago, they were just doing student loans and they have diversified into multiple business segments. Okay, lending originations, guys. Home loans is up 49%. Personal loans is up 188%. Student loans, of course, is getting hammered right now because, Biden put out that CARES Act extension. So as you can see here, they have much more diversification now with personal loans and home loans. And once student loans comes back, we're going to get, $40 to $70 million boost in 2022, guys. This is the time to be buying right now. And I believe the big whales are accumulating right around these price ranges, just like you and I. And remember, this is a company that is extremely passionate about their members. That is why we're seeing members accelerate so fast and continue to stay. And, cross buying acceleration is through the roof because, they love, the one-on-one, member platform, trying to get your money right. Our number one goal is helping our members get their money right, guys. And that is why you will love this platform. And as you can see, guys, heavily invested in the SoFi stock. I have more in a TD Ameritrade account. 54,000 in market value, 3,600 shares, right around a 15.10 price average. So right now, I really believe, anything in the $14 to $15 range is a buying opportunity. I will most likely buy, if SoFi falls under, the $15 range once again. Once again, guys, we are the number one YouTube channel covering the SoFi stock. And I see tons and tons of other companies, running hard, off of no news. And I don't FOMO. And I tell my subscribers, do not FOMO, guys. Stick to the undervalued plays that have not taken off yet and diamond hand through the volatility. You have to be patient. And that's what we're doing with the SoFi stock. It's just a matter of time before that bank charter, goes through and they can apply that $2.5 billion in cash, to acquisitions to grow the company even faster. So please, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Be sure to drop a comment. I'm going to comment back to as many people as I possibly can and get us past this, 5,000 subscriber mark so we can continue to accelerate, the SoFi stock on the YouTube platform so more people, have an opportunity to get in at these low price ranges. Once again, my name's Kyle and I hope you have a great day.